In this video, I'll talk about how you can find the best price on Temu. Now, on Temu, you will be able to select some categories, so I would think the best selling items is usually also with some of the best prices. However, one thing you can do is use the search filters. So head over to Temu and type in any sort of product that you want to buy, and then you can use the filters. It's usually on the left side, and then sort by price. So you can find the cheapest items first, and it's much easier that way. Now what you can do is also look for deals and discounts. So usually they will run some type of deal or discounts on many of the items, and if you sign up to their email, you get a lot of discount codes and coupon codes on your email. So I suggest signing up to that one. And sometimes you can even get stuff for free and all that stuff using the email. So that is another way you can do it. And then the last one is using the Temu app. Now this one is probably one of the best ones, because on Temu app, they will give you free gifts, and they will also give you like games you can do to complete and get free stuff. So you can get the app only promotions, and these are really, really good. You can get free stuff, and that's about it, guys. So I would suggest doing all three of these if you can, and then you can definitely get some stuff really, really cheap or even for free. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.